Meet Sara. She owns a small boutique, passionate about fashion but overwhelmed by running her business. Month after month she struggled to keep up with inventory, never quite sure which products to stock more of and which ones were costing her money. That's when Sara discovered the power of data. Using tools like Excel and Power BI, she began tracking her sales, understanding customer preferences, and identifying seasonal trends. By analyzing her sales data, Sara noticed a pattern. Her summer dresses were always a hit, while winter accessories lagged behind. Armed with this insight, she adjusted her inventory, targeted the right products, and optimized pricing. Within just a few months, Sara wasn't just running her business. She was growing it. She stopped guessing and started making data-driven decisions. Sara's boutique went from struggling to thriving, all because she took control with data. She wished she would have known this earlier. The answers were in the data all along. Imagine what data-driven decisions could do for your career or business. Whether you're in retail, marketing, or any field, data analytics can help you take control. Learn the skills that transformed Sara's business. Join our 4-month data analytics training plus internship program. Limited seats available. Don't guess. Let data guide your success.